Welcome to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. I'm Bug, and today I'm going to quickly take you through making this shaker tag. This tag features some images from Lawn Fawn stamps, and the shaker elements are some silver metallic star confetti and some polymer clay snowflakes. And you can see on the back I have it covered with some gold glitter paper. Of course, you can put a little to and from on the back and write a message if you like. This Lawn Fawn stamp set is called Christmas Dreams, and I used my 3.5-inch circle punch from Fiskars. I stamped and colored my images, and then I cut out a couple of these silver 3.5-inch circles out of some silver paper, and then I just punched a smaller circle inside one of them. This can be done with a die cutting machine and some dies. And of course, you can also use the old-fashioned method of tracing around a glass on top of your paper and then cutting that out. Because of the size of my smaller punch, I wasn't really able to center the smaller circle where the acetate is, but I really like the way it turned out anyway. Here is a closer look at the shaker elements, which are snowflakes made of polymer clay and some silver metallic confetti stars. It's all behind that sheet of acetate that I punched out with the circle punch. And here I just make some guidelines so that I know where to put the glue so it doesn't get all over the acetate or the back of the fireplace. Here I'm just checking the orientation of the images one more time. And this is what I've ended up with. For shakers, you just want to make sure that your acetate is adhered well and that your foam tape gives you the same height all the way around. Other common elements for shaker cards are chunky glitter and sequins. Thanks for watching today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it.